Title: From Despair to Hope. The transformation of John and Lisa. John and Lisa were a loving couple who lived in a small town, filled with dreams and aspirations. Their greatest desire was to have a child. But after years of trying with no success, they began to feel the weight of despair pressing down on them. The struggle. As the years passed, the pain of infertility became unbearable. For John, he turned to coping mechanisms that only deepened his troubles. He began drinking heavily, trying to drown his sorrows in bottles of whiskey and engaging in smoking as a way to escape. His once vibrant laughter faded, replaced by a gloomy silence. Lisa, heartbroken and desperate for a solution, sought help from unconventional sources. She gravitated towards questionable friends who introduced her to witchcraft and the practices of a local witch doctor, believing these might hold the key to finally conceiving the child they so desperately wanted. However, the more they sought fulfillment through these means, the further they drifted from each other. Their home became a place of tension and negativity, rather than the sanctuary it once was. Turning point. One evening, while sitting in a bar, John overheard a conversation between some patrons discussing their faith and the strength they found in Jesus Christ. Intrigued, he began to reflect on his own choices and the downward spiral his life had taken. At that moment, he remembered a Bible verse he had learned as a child. "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future." Jeremiah 29:11. Encouraged by this revelation, John decided to change his life. He reached out to Lisa, sharing his newfound desire to turn their lives around and seek faith instead of escape. Initially skeptical, Lisa found comfort in his commitment and agreed to join him on this journey of healing. New beginning. They began attending church together, devoting their time to prayer and studying the Bible. They learned about the power of faith and the importance of surrendering their troubles to God. They clung to promises like Philippians 4:6-7, which says, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." As they grew in their faith, a profound change took place. John put down the alcohol and cigarettes, guiding his family towards a healthier lifestyle, while Lisa distanced herself from her bad influences. Finding a new community in the church, they began to pray fervently for a child, finding hope in Matthew 7:7. "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be opened to you." The blessing. Months passed, but still no news of a child. Yet their faith did not waver. They believed wholeheartedly that God had a plan for them.